Funding sources for the Per Pupil Expenditures, PPE, in Stafford County, Virginia. Per pupil expenditure is the measure of funding that Virginia school divisions receive from various sources each year. The value is an average of dollars received divided by the number of students in each division, known as average daily membership, or ADM. Each school earns a ranking establishing their PPE when compared to other school divisions, of which there are 132 in the state. Displayed graphically, the funding sources include local county funding, state sales tax, and federal funds. The percentages of the total PPE over the 21-year period are shown. Over the 21-year time period, when comparing the 132 school divisions within the Commonwealth, the amount of money Stafford spends on its students does not fare well. Both the median PPE and the average PPE identify that Stafford's PPE falls far short of those values. Further, Stafford County consistently ranks very close to the least amount spent per pupil within the entire Commonwealth. The state average PPE, shown by the line at the top, over these 21 years on average is $1,167 higher than Stafford County's total PPE. Over the last 6 reporting years, from fiscal year 17 to fiscal year 22, the dollar gap between the state expenditure and the local Stafford expenditure has consistently widened. There are 132 school divisions, whether they be counties, cities, or towns. The median, thus, is number 66. This graph identifies that Stafford County has never reached that middle range. Looking closer, Stafford's total PPE for the last 5 years of the VDOE Superintendent's annual report identifies that 84% of the other divisions in the Commonwealth have spent more on education than Stafford County. In fiscal year 22, of the 11 Northern Virginia divisions, Stafford has the lowest PPE, 111. Local jurisdictions are provided a complex formula called the Local Composite Index, or LCI, to determine a percentage reflecting their ability to pay. If the ability to pay is deemed to be high, a local jurisdiction's percentage, such as in Arlington, Alexandria, and Fairfax, can be as high as 80%. Jurisdictions can decide to contribute more or pay less than their LCI. Prince William County Schools locally paid 3.91% more than their LCI. Stafford County in fiscal year 22 paid 1/4% above their LCI.